In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link in your Instagram bio. So this is going to look professional and you can link people to pretty much anywhere. I've got them going to my beacons page, but you can add any link. So what you need to do is head over to Instagram. Once you're in Instagram, click on the bottom right hand corner, which will be your profile icon. It will then take you to your profile. Here you can go ahead and then click edit profile. And what you can do, you can head over to the links section. So it's going to be under bio. So click on links, then you won't have a link currently. So I'm going to remove this one. So this is what you will see when you don't have any link. Click on add external link, then go ahead and copy the link you want to add. I'm adding my beacons account, so I can copy this link. We can go ahead and paste that into the URL section. You can also paste any link, including any of your other social medias, then add a title. This title is pretty much irrelevant, then click done. Now, one thing that is important when you're adding the link, and please understand this, when you've added the link and people click on it, it's going to open inside of the Instagram web browser. So if you send people to a YouTube video, they're not going to be logged in, and the chances are they're not going to watch anything long form or interact with any long content coming from Instagram. So that's how you do it, and that's a quick tip.